Hey guys! Welcome back to It's a Sweet and Savory Life. I hope you're having a great day here today. Today I am doing my to-do list Tuesday, and we're just going to jump right into it. So as you see here, I am making my to-do list. It's a pretty long one, and I'm not going to lie, I did not get everything done on that list. I only got about half of those stuff done on that list, but you know what? It's okay. Don't beat yourself up about it if you're in the same boat that I was and you didn't get everything done on that to-do list that you've made, because that to-do list will be there tomorrow. It's not going anywhere. The chores aren't going anywhere. The housework's not going anywhere. We have a life to live and we can't spend it all on getting stuff done. So if you don't get everything tackled, it's okay. I'm right there with you. I was still very happy with what I did get tackled today. So the first thing I started with, besides making my to-do list, was actually making my bed, and you can see Bella there in the back. She's kind of, making her little cameo, if you will, into the video, and she really wanted to go outside, and she loves going out one of our living room windows, and she can see part of our bedroom, and she wanted to go out the bedroom window, but she can't because there's a screen there. But yeah, just look at her. Isn't she cute? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are looking for any other fun to-do list, motivation, or just interested in keeping up on our day-to-day life. We'll keep you updated on here. And now I'm just tidying up the top of our dresser and just picking up those things that just kind of gather during the week. Just really putting those things in their proper homes. And now we're just moving into the bathroom, I should say, and we're just kind of picking it up. I'm taking the clothes off of our clothes bars that we had drying, and you can kind of see some of the mess that we'll be cleaning up in just a little while. So because our apartment is so small, we went from a 2-bedroom larger apartment with a washer and dryer down to a very, very small 1-bedroom apartment, and we don't have hardly any countertop or cabinetry in our kitchen. So you will see that in our bathroom we have this shelf here, and it's not gonna lie, we call it our food shelf. It's kind of our food storage. We are obviously going through the same pandemic everyone else is, and we did stock up on just a few things. I mean, you can see there's nothing crazy there. We just have a couple boxes of pasta, a couple things of sauce. Nothing crazy like we've seen some people, but this is our food shelf, and I just had to organize it and kind of refresh it. And I did my makeup today when I filmed this video, and it made me feel so good and so motivated, and so I'm picking that up. And I recommend that if you are struggling to get motivation and you're struggling to get up and get things done, and all you want to do is curl up on your couch, get dressed. If you like to wear makeup, do your makeup, do your hair, just something that kind of puts you in your normal, non-pandemic stay-at-home routine, something that's very similar to what you were doing before all this happened. Put that makeup on, do your hair. It just, for some reason, gives you that motivation to get stuff done, and that was me today. I did my makeup and I got dressed, and trust me, it would have been much more comfortable staying in my sweatpants, but I had to get stuff done, so I got dressed and I did my makeup. And you can see I'm just trying to check some things off the list. I did not get everything done. Like for example, I didn't get my one video edited. I didn't get to plan dinners or make a grocery list or menu plan with Tim, but you know what? I did get the bed made. I tidied the bedroom. I picked up the bathroom. I got to rearrange the food shelf. I vacuumed the living room. I filmed my to-do list, and I sent some texts that I needed to send. I did some other computer work that wasn't initially on the to-do list. So, anything helps. And I always like making a list and checking things off because it makes me feel so much more productive. And now I'm just sitting down, and I took about 45 minutes and I paid bills. I sent texts that I needed to send. I replied to emails. I did Instagram updates. I did work a little bit on videos. Just really sat down and focused and tackled that to-do list. And again, I didn't get everything done, but that's okay. That is so okay. Those other items will still be there. And I didn't honestly film an outro because I thought I was gonna get some more stuff done, but I didn't. So that's really all I have for our to-do list Tuesday video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you gave you just a little bit of motivation, and hopefully I'll see you again for my future videos, and I'll see you next week for our next to-do list Tuesday. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you hit that subscribe button. Bye!